The 10th term of the arithmetic progression AP 5, 8, 11, 14 is options: option A 32, option B 35, option C 38, option D 185. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve the problem. Yes, the correct answer is option A 32. Let's see how we arrive at the answer 32 in our explanation. The given progression is 5, 8, 11, 14. We need to find 10th term, that is A10 is. We know the formula to find any nth term in AP, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is the first term, n is the which term we need to identify, and d is the common difference. Given is a1 is equal to a is equal to 5, that is first term, and the a2 is second term, that is 8. And common difference is given by a2 minus a1, that is 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. And the 10th term they are telling n is equal to 10. The solution is find out by substituting this given term in the formula. That is an means a10, for a is first term, that is 5, n is 10, minus 1, d is 3, which is equal to 5 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 3, that is 5 plus 9 into 3, 27, that is a10 is 32. The problem is D and E are respectively the point on the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC such that AD is 2 cm, BD is 3 cm, BC is 7.5 and DE parallel to BC. Then the length of DE is the options: option A 2.5, option B 3, option C 5, option D 6. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve the problem. Yes, the correct answer is option B 3. Let's see how we arrive at the answer 3 in our explanation. Yes. What is given is D and E are respectively points on the side AB and AC of triangle ABC. Yes, this is the triangle ABC. D and E are points on AB and AC. D point on AB, E point on AC, such that they are given AD is 2 cm, BD is 3 cm, BC is 7.5 cm, and they are telling DE is parallel to BC. Okay. Yeah. Then we need to find DE is equal to how much? This length we need to calculate. And we know that for triangles, AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC, which is equal to DE divided by BC. And the given terms are AD is 2 cm, BD is 3 cm, BC is 7.5. And we need to find out AB for our further calculation. So AB is given by AD plus BD, which is equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5. And here we need to calculate DE. So we can consider AD by AB is equal to DE by BC as they are given AD and AB in the problem. So we can get the value of DE by substituting this given term in the formula. That is AD is 2 and AB is 5. DE we have to calculate. BC is 7.5. Let's cross multiply. 2 into 7.5 is equal to DE by 7.5. Yeah. 2 into 7.5 is 50. that is equal to 5 DE. DE is equal to 15 divided by 5. DE is equal to 3. This is how we arrived at the answer 3. The pair of the equation x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 and minus 3x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0. Options are A. Unique solution, B. Exactly 2 solution, C. Infinitely many solution, D. No solution. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve this problem. Yes, the correct answer is option D, no solution. Let's see the explanation how we arrived at this answer, no solution. These are the two pair of the equation given. When we equate two linear equation in two variables, that is of kind a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If we get a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2, we can say that it has no solution. Here, a1 is 1, a2 is minus 3, b2 is minus 6, c1 is 5 and c2 is 1. That is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. Hence, we can say that it has no solution. Tangent to a circle intersect it is dash, point or points. Options: option A1, option B2, option C3, option D many. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to answer this question. Yes, the correct answer is option A1. Let's see in our explanation how we arrived at answer 1. We know that tangent is a straight line which always touches the circle at only one point, which is shown in the figure. In the figure, AB is the tangent which is touching the circle at point C. So, a tangent is a line which always touches the circle at only one point. That is why the answer is 1. To draw a pair of tangent to a circle which are inclined to each other at an angle of 35 degrees, it is required to draw tangent at the point of those two radii of circle, the angle between which is the options: option A 105, option B 70 degree, option C 140 degree, option D 145 degree. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to answer this problem. Yes, the correct answer is option D 145. Let's see in our explanation how we arrived at the answer 145. The question is to draw a pair of tangent to a circle which are inclined to each other at an angle of 35 degrees. They are telling a pair of tangent. Here AP and BP are the pair of tangent which are inclined each other at an angle of 35 degrees. That is X is 35 degrees. It is required to draw the tangent at the point of those two radii of the circle. Yeah. This is the tangent which is touching at A and B, and the radii which is drawn at the end points is angle Y, and the angle between which is, that means they are asking us to calculate angle Y. And yeah, we know that if the angle between the tangent is x degree, then the angle between the radii, this angle, is supplementary to angle of inclination of tangents, that is y degree. That is y degree is equal to 180 degree minus x degree. The given is 35 degree. That is angle between the tangents. That is 35. That is x. And we need to find y. That is angle between the radii which makes these two tangents. That is y degree. Yes, the solution we arrived at by substituting in this equation, that is y degree is equal to 180 minus x, 180 degree, and the given is 35 degree, that is y degree is equal to 180 minus 35, which is 145 degree. This is how we arrived at the answer 145 degree, which is the angle between the radii which make these two tangents. The distance of the point P of minus 6, 8 from the origin is option A 8, option B 2 root 7, option C 6, option D 10. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve this problem. The correct answer is option D 10. Yeah, let's see how we arrived at the answer 10 in our explanation. The distance of the point P from the origin. See, this is the origin and the point they are telling is minus 6, 8, and it comes in the second quadrant, which is x is minus 6 and y is plus 8. So it comes in the second quadrant. And we know that if P of x, y is the point in any quadrangle, then the formula to find the distance of the point P from origin is given by d is equal to root of x square plus y square. We need to find the distance d. That is how far this point P from the origin. The given terms are P of minus 6, 8, that is x is equal to minus 6, y is equal to 8. To find the d, we need to substitute this given term and in this formula, that is d is equal to, in place of x, minus 6 and in place of y, plus 8. Square root of minus 6 whole square is 36, 8 square is 64, 36 plus 64 is 100. That is root of 100, which is equal to 10. Yes, this is the distance of point P from the origin. This is how we arrived at answer 10. Which of the following equation has 2 as a root? Options: option A, x square minus 4x plus 5 equals 0, x square plus 3x minus 12 equals 0, 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equals 0. Option D, 3x square minus 6x minus 3 equals 0. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve this problem. Yes, the correct answer is option C, 2x minus 7x plus 6 equals 0. Let's see how we arrived at this answer in our explanation. Let's use elimination method to find the roots. Let's consider this example. X square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. To get the substitute for minus 4x, we need to multiply first and last term and to substitute in this given equation. That is, x5 last term into first term, 5 into x square equals 5x square. And minus 4x, we should get the substitute in the terms of this 5 and x square. It should satisfy 5x square term. Like that, we'll get for minus 4x minus 5x plus 4x. See, these things, no proper substitute, so we don't get no solution. Consider option B, x square plus 3x minus 12 equals 0. Multiply first and last term. We'll get minus 12x square. To get 3x substitute cx 6x minus 3x. So it should satisfy this term multiplication also. Yeah, substitute 6x minus 3x in place of 3x. X square plus 6x minus 3x minus 12. See, x plus 6, here we are not finding the common term. So no proper substitute, no solution. And consider this example, 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equals 0. To substitute to minus 7x, multiply first and last term, that is 12x square. Minus 7x is minus 4x minus 3x. If you multiply minus 4x minus 3x, we'll get 12x square. Yes, proper substitute. Yeah, 2x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 6. In place of minus 7x, substitute minus 4x minus 3x. That is 2x equals of x. Take 2x common. X minus 2. In these two terms, take minus 3 common. X minus 2. Take x minus 2 in these two terms common. And 2x minus 3 equals 0. That is x is equal to 2x equals 3 and x minus 2 equals 0. X is equal to 2. This is how we arrived at the answer 2. Given tan A is 4 by 3, then sin A is dashed. Options, option A 3 by 4, option B 3 by 5, option C 4 by 5, option D 4 by 3. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve this problem. The correct answer is option C 4 by 5. Let's see how we arrived at the answer 4 by 5. Yeah, let's consider a right angle triangle PQR. This is the angle, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. They are asking us to find sin A. And the given is tan A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. This formula we know, opposite divided by hypotenuse. Let's consider that as A by B, which is equal to 4 by 3, which is the given term. So we can say A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. From Pythagoras theorem, we can apply like this. Hypotenuse square, that is C square, is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square, that is A square plus B square. C square is equal to A is 4, B is 3. 4 square plus 3 square, that is 16 plus 9, that is 25. C is equal to square root of 25, that is C is 5. And we know that sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is A, hypotenuse is C, that is sin A is equal to 4 divided by 5. Yes, this is how we arrived at the answer 4 by 5. The value of x in this figure is options 60 meter, option B 30 meter, option C 15 meter, option D 10 meter. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve this problem. Yes, the correct answer is option A 60 meter. The value of x in this figure is they are asking. The given figure is this one. Theta is 45 degree, opposite side that is x, and this is adjacent side, this is 60 meter. We know that tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. That is x divided by 60 meter. That is tan 45 is equal to x divided by 60. Tan 45 is 1, x is divided by 60. X is equal to 60 degree. This is how we arrived at the answer 60 meter. Construction of cumulative frequency table is helpful in determining the options. Option A mean, option B median, option C mode, option D all the above. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to arrive at the answer. Yes, the correct answer is median. Option B. Let's see how we arrived at the answer B in our explanation. We know that median formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by 5 into height, where CF is cumulative frequency, F is the frequency. In the formula, CF is their cumulative frequency. They are asking, construction of cumulative frequency table is useful in determining the median term. Anyways, to find the median, this formula should cumulative frequency is needed. That is how we can say that the cumulative frequency table is useful in determining median. Yes, this is how the answer is median. The funnel is a combination of option A cone and a cylinder, option B, fructum of a cone and cylinder, option C, hemisphere and a cylinder, option D, hemisphere and a cone. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to arrive at the answer. The answer is option A cone and a cylinder. Let's see how we can arrive at a cone and cylinder in our explanation. This is the cone given. When given funnel is split into two shapes as shown below, like this. First portion, this one, and the second portion, this one. This gives to a funnel. How it looks, this first portion looks like a cone and the second portion is a cylinder. Yes, we get cone and a cylinder. So, funnel is a combination of cone and a cylinder. In a AP, if A is 3.5, D is 10 and N equals 11, then AN will be option A 0, option B 3.5, option C 103.5, option D 104.5. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve this problem. The correct answer is option C 103.5. Let's see how we arrive at 103.5 in our explanation. The given terms are A is 3.5, D is 10 and N is 11. We need to find AN is, that is 11th term we need to find. We know that formula to find nth term in AP is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where A is first term, N is the which term we need to calculate and D is the common difference. Let's substitute in our solution the given terms. That is AN is A is 3.5, N is 11 and D is 10. That is 3.5 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. into 10, that is 3.5, plus 10 into 10, which is 100, that is 103.5. That is A11, the 11th term is 103.5. This is how we got the answer 103.5. The length of the diagonals of the rhombus are 16 cm and 12 cm. Then the length of the side of rhombus is the options: option A 10 cm, option B 9 cm, option D 8 cm, option D 7 cm. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve this problem. The correct answer is option A 10 cm. Let's see how we arrive at answer 10 cm in our explanation. This is the rhombus. Let's consider ACBD is a rhombus. The length of the diagonals is 16 cm and 12 cm. We need to calculate side of the rhombus. The given is AB CD, the diagonal's length is 12 cm, 16 cm. In a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, diagonal AB divided by 2, which is AO, BO, which is 8 cm. We can say that AO, BO is 8. And as it's bisect, the diagonal is exactly equal to 2. So, which is CD divided by 2, that is CO, and OD, which is equal to CD by 2, that is 12 by 2, which is 6. So, we can consider CO is equal to DO is 6 cm. We need to find length of the side of the rhombus. Here, that length we can consider as AC. AC we need to find out. And we know that in rhombus, diagonal bisect each other at 90 degrees. So we can consider this triangle AOC is a right angle triangle. Then from Pythagoras theorem, we can say AC square is equal to AO square plus CO square. So we can calculate AC by substituting given things in this equation, that is A4 8 square plus 6 square, which is 64 plus 32, which is 100. Then AC is equal to root of 100, that is 10. This is how we arrived at the answer 10 in our explanation. The sum of the two-digit number is 9. If 27 is added to it, the digit of the number get reversed. The number is option A 36, option B 25, option C 72, option D 63. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve this problem. The correct answer is option A 36. The sum of two-digit number is 9. If 27 is added to it, the digit of number get reversed. The number is, let two-digit be X and Y. Given condition or sum of two-digit number, that is 9. X plus Y is equal to 9. Second condition is if 27 is added to it, the digit of number get reversed, that is xy plus 27 is equal to yx. Let's trial and error this. X is 1, y is 8, so that first condition is satisfied. Second condition, it should be yx. Here, this 18 plus 27, 45, which is not equal to 81. So, this is not valid. Let's take trial and error. X is 2, y is 7. So that first condition is satisfied. Second condition, add 27 to this 27, it gets 54, which is not equal to 72. So second condition is not valid. Let's check with x is equal to 3 and 6 so that the first condition 3 plus 6 equals 9 valid. X square plus 27 equals yx. 36 plus 27 which is 63. That 63 is equal to 36. So both the conditions are satisfied. Hence the answer is 36. If the angle between two radii of a circle is 130 degree, the angle between the tangent is options. Option A 90, option B 50 degree, option C 70 degree, option D 40 degree. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve this problem. The correct answer is option B 50 degree. Let's see how we arrive at angle 50 degree. The angle between radii of two circles is 130 degree. This is the angle they are given, that is y degree. Then the angle between the tangent, that is x degree, we need to calculate. And we know that if the angle between the tangent is x degree, then the angle between the radii is supplementary of the angle of inclination of tangent, that is y degree. That we can state as y degree is equal to 180 minus x degree. Given is y degree, that is 130 degree. We need to find x degree, that is angle between the tangents. We can find that by substituting this given value in this equation, that is 130 degree equals 180 degree minus x degree. X degree is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, that is x is 50 degree. To divide a line segment AB in the ratio 5:7. First, a ray AX is drawn so that angle BAX is an acute angle. Then at equal distance points are marked on the ray AX such that minimum number of these points is options: option A 8, option B 11, option C 13, option D 12. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required. The correct answer is option D 12. To divide a line segment AB, this is the line segment, is the ratio 5:7, we should be divided. So AX is drawn so that BAS is an acute angle triangle. We know acute angle triangle, angle should be around 30 or 40 degree. That is how we drawn. And then at equal distance, points are marked on the ray AX. At equal distance, points are marked such that minimum number of these points, the minimum number of points on the AX is the question they are asking. Yes, to divide a line segment AB in the ratio 5:7, AX is drawn so that angle BAX is an acute angle triangle as it is shown, and then at equal distance points are marked on the AX such that minimum number of these points is given by adding this ratio, that is 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12. This is how we arrived at the answer 12. The distance between the point A 7, 13, B 10, 9 is options: option A 5, option B 10, option C 9, option D 13. Students, please choose the correct answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to solve the problem. The correct answer is 5. Let's see how we arrive at the answer 5 in our explanation. The distance between the 2 points, that is A of x 7, that is B of 10, 7. Let A of x, 1, B of x2, y2. Let's take. And we know the formula to find distance between any two points is given by d is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We need to calculate d here. A is 7, 13, B is 10, 9. That is A of x1, y1, y of x2, y2. Therefore, x1 is 7, y1 is 13, x2 is 10, y2 is 9. Let's substitute this given equation in this formula. x2 is 10, x1 is 7, y2 is 9, y1 is 13. That is d is equal to 10 minus 7 is 3, that is 3 square, plus 9 minus 13 is minus 4, that is minus 4 whole square. 3 square is 9, plus 16 is 25. D is 5. This is how we arrive at the answer. D is 5. X square plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 0 has options 4 real root, 2 real root, no real root, D 1 real root. Student, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Suppose if more time is required to solve this problem. The correct answer is option C, no real root. Let's see how we arrive at the answer no real root in our explanation. Given is this expression, and we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is x square plus 1 whole square. This in the form of a plus b whole square. Let's substitute here and solve this equation. On expansion of x square plus 1 whole square plus x square, we get x square whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2, a is x square, b is 1 minus x square, that is x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus 2x square minus x square, x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus x square equals 0. See, it's not a quadratic equation, so therefore it has no real root. Hence, the answer is no real root. 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree is equal to how much? The options: option A tan 90 degree, option B 1, option C sin 45 degree, option D 0. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause more if more time is required to arrive at the answer. Yes, the correct option is option D 0. Let's see how we arrive at this option in our explanation. We need to find out how much this term. And we know that tan 45 is 1. Hence, we can substitute this value in the given expression. That is 1 minus tan 45 is 1, that is 1 square. 1 plus tan 45 is 1 square. That is 1 minus 1 is 0 divided by 1, which is equal to 0. That is how we arrive at the answer 0. The angle of elevation of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when it is above. Option slant line, option B vertical line, option C horizontal line, option D oblique line. Students, please write your answer in your answer sheet. Pause if more time is required to arrive at the answer. The correct answer is option C, horizontal line. Let's see how we arrive at answer 3 in our explanation. We know that from foolproof definition of angle of elevation is when the line of sight with the horizontal, which is always above the horizontal line. Yes, that is how the correct answer is horizontal line. Angle of elevation is viewed in the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when it is above the horizontal line.